Welcome to the Center for Engaged Learning, or the CEL for short. Located on the first floor of the Ames Library, this space is curated to promote and strengthen opportunities for students in the classroom and the community. It also ensures access to peer tutors, librarians, and key learner support services. The CEL offers an array of learning environments. There's plenty of space for discussion and collaboration, as well as quiet, individual study areas. Use the whiteboards and green screens for semi-private meeting spaces, or tuck away in a nook or a booth for more focused learning. Modern learning is top of mind. There are plenty of plugins for charging devices, furniture designed for social gatherings and educational needs, plus additional screens for presentations and visual, oral, and multimodal learners. The CEL also provides a welcoming and safe environment for tutoring. It serves as an extension of the Writing Center and tutoring services. Come together with your group, find a quiet spot to study, or access library resources while enjoying this inviting new space. Find success in the classroom and beyond at the Center for Engaged Learning.